Hey there, fellow car enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we share all things automotive. In today's video, we're going to discuss a crucial component of your vehicle that often goes unnoticed until it becomes a serious problem: the wheel bearing. If you've been experiencing strange noises or handling issues with your vehicle, this video is for you. Knowing the signs of a bad wheel bearing can help you identify potential issues early on and prevent costly repairs. So, let's dive right in and learn how to recognize these warning signals. Before we jump into the signs, let's quickly understand what wheel bearings are and their role in your vehicle. Wheel bearings are crucial components that allow your wheels to spin smoothly. They support the weight of the vehicle and help reduce friction between the wheel and the axle. Over time, they can wear out. When they start to fail, it can lead to various problems that compromise your safety on the road. So, without further ado, let's uncover these warning signs. Now, let's explore the common signs that indicate your wheel bearings might be in bad shape. Remember, addressing these issues early can prevent further damage and ensure your safety on the road. 1. Unusual noises. One of the most noticeable signs is strange noises coming from your wheels. Listen for a growling, humming, or rumbling sound, especially when you're driving at higher speeds. The noise will often get louder as you accelerate and will decrease when you slow down. A grinding or growling noise, often described as a low-pitched rumble, can indicate that the wheel bearing is worn out or damaged. This noise typically becomes more pronounced as the vehicle's speed increases. If you hear a continuous whirring or humming sound, especially when turning, it could be a sign of a bad wheel bearing. This noise may change in intensity or pitch as you maneuver the vehicle. 2. Vibrations and steering instability. Another sign of bad wheel bearings is vibration. If you feel vibrations or a shaky sensation in your steering wheel, it could be a sign of bad wheel bearings. As the bearings deteriorate, they can cause your wheels to wobble or feel loose, affecting your vehicle's stability in handling. This vibration may increase as you drive faster. 3. Uneven tire wear. Bad wheel bearings can also cause uneven tire wear. Keep an eye on your tire wear patterns. If you notice uneven wear on your tires, particularly on one side, it could be due to a faulty wheel bearing. The misalignment caused by a bad bearing can lead to uneven pressure distribution on the tires. This can also cause your vehicle to pull to one side while driving. 4. Loose steering. If you notice that your steering feels loose or unresponsive, it could be a sign of a bad wheel bearing. You may notice a slight pulling sensation or difficulty maintaining a straight line when driving. This can make it difficult to control your vehicle and can be dangerous. 5. Heat. After driving, carefully touch the center of each wheel to check for excessive heat. A wheel bearing under stress may generate excessive heat, which can be felt through the wheel. Be cautious when touching hot surfaces to avoid injury. A bad bearing can cause friction and heat buildup in your wheels. 6. Wheel movement and play or loose wheel. If you notice excessive play or wobbling in the affected wheel, it could be a sign of a bad wheel bearing. Try gently shaking the wheel from side to side and up and down to check for abnormal movement. 7. Uneven brake pad wear. A failing wheel bearing can cause uneven brake pad wear on the affected wheel. If you observe uneven wear patterns or premature wear on one side of the brake pads, it's essential to inspect the wheel bearing. 8. ABS or traction control warning lights. Modern vehicles are equipped with advanced safety systems. If your ABS or traction control warning lights illuminate on your dashboard, it could be an indication of a failing wheel bearing. These systems rely on accurate wheel speed data, which can be affected by a faulty bearing. Causes of bad wheel bearings. Now, let's unmask the villains behind this bearing breakdown. Normal wear and tear, like all components, bearings wear out over time, especially in harsh driving conditions. Impact damage, hitting potholes, curbs, or debris can damage the bearing and accelerate its wear. Water intrusion, water and moisture can corrode the bearing internals, leading to premature failure. Improper installation, faulty installation during a replacement can compromise the bearing's lifespan. Remedies for bad wheel bearings. Don't panic. There are ways to get your wheels rolling smoothly again. Replace the damaged bearing. This is the most common and definitive solution. A qualified mechanic can diagnose the affected bearing and replace it with a new one. Inspect and clean. In some cases, cleaning the bearing and checking for minor damage might be a temporary fix. However, professional advice is crucial before attempting this. Before diving into repairs, consult a qualified mechanic for proper diagnosis and guidance. They can pinpoint the exact problem and recommend the most effective solution. Importance of timely wheel bearing replacement. If our wheel bearings are not replaced in time, they could lead to problems such as further damage to your vehicle's suspension system, increased risk of accidents, and even complete wheel failure while driving. It's crucial to address bad wheel bearings promptly to ensure your safety and prevent costly repairs down the line. Tips for wheel bearing maintenance. To help you maintain healthy wheel bearings and prolong their lifespan, here are a few tips. 1. Regular inspections. Make it a habit to visually inspect your wheel bearings during routine maintenance. Look for any signs of wear, leakage, or damage. If you notice anything unusual, it's best to have them checked by a professional mechanic. 2. Keep bearings lubricated. Proper lubrication is essential for the smooth operation of wheel bearings. Follow your vehicle manufacturer's recommendations for lubrication intervals and use the recommended grease or lubricant. 3. Avoid excessive loads and impact. Heavy loads and rough driving conditions can put excessive stress on your wheel bearings. Try to avoid overloading your vehicle and minimize driving over potholes, curbs, or other obstacles that can cause impact damage. 4. Timely replacement. If you suspect or confirm that your wheel bearings are bad, don't delay their replacement. Consult with a trusted mechanic and have them replaced with high-quality bearings to ensure optimal performance and longevity. And there you have it, folks, the signs of bad wheel bearings that you should never ignore. Remember, your safety on the road depends on the proper functioning of these crucial components. If you suspect any issues, don't hesitate to have them inspected and replaced by a professional. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more automotive tips and tricks. Feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and remember to stay tuned for more exciting content. Drive safe, and we'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and happy driving.